Well done for securing a spot on the challenge. So you've been invited here by myself or by one of my team members that believe that you're suitable for this challenge. So you're probably here because you want to learn something new, you want to make more sales, ultimately you want to change your life. Because you want to start generating passive income so you're not exchanging time for money. That's exactly what I want to do for this challenge over the next 30 days. Right? So I really plan on showing you exactly how sales automation works, and at the same time you generating at least $1,000 in passive income using the following 3 steps in the next page. So before I take you through the 3 steps, I'll show you exactly how to get going. I just want to explain a little bit more about how things actually work. As I said in my previous video, I'm a business owner and I'm the founder and CEO of CHATBOT Malaysia, where we help businesses automate their sales using online tools and strategies, including messenger chatbots, and that's my career, right? So this challenge is based around earning passive income from selling other people's products, and at the same time seeing firsthand how you can automate your own online sales, because that's what I know best, right? So from what I've experienced, this is the fastest way for you to understand how online sales automation works and how CHATBOT works, so that you can set up one for yourself in your business, right? So I know exactly how to do that and how it works, and after this 30 days challenge, hopefully you will know how it works as well. But don't worry, I'm not gonna just tell you to go and search for what products to sell. I'm not gonna give you some documents to look at choose what products. I'm not going to ask you to build any websites or start writing blog posts or anything like that, because I know how to do that, right? And I know it works, and I want this to be a success. So what I've done is I actually chosen an affiliate product that really already converts, that really works, and that really brings in passive income month after month. I've also built a sales funnel which you can add your affiliate link into it, and it does all the selling for you, so you don't have to build anything. You don't have to pay for any hosting, you don't have to do anything like that. So I've done all that for you because I know exactly how to do that, and also I'm going to give you the exact traffic source which really works well for this type of thing. So all you need to do is just follow these 3 steps that I set up. Take a bit of action each day to put things into place, and if you do those steps over the next 30 days, and the plan is that you will also earn $1,000 in passive income every month. But here's what I need from you, right? So I need you to promise that you're going to take action, because I'm taking my time to invite you, to coach you, to help you with this income challenge, and I want you to earn over $1,000 per month in passive income. But it does require you to take some action. And the plan is that you take action over the next 30 days, then you can stop taking action. You can close your laptop and the money will still keep rolling in. And more importantly, you will see firsthand how online sales automation really works. But for that to happen, you need to follow some steps over the next 30 days. So that's all I ask from anyone taking part in this challenge, is to go through the 3 steps on this next page, right, to set everything up. I've done it so simply, so it's really easy to do. If you do that and follow the task every day for 30 days, you should earn over $1,000 in passive income, and you will know how to set it up for your own self, for your own products in your business. So below this video, you're gonna find 2 buttons. One of the buttons will lead you through to the Facebook group. It's specifically for this challenge, where I want you to join, right? I'm gonna be sharing some motivation and other videos and updates in the group, so make sure you join the group. You'll also find 1 button that'll take you through to the next page, that'll help you with the 3 steps, right, that you need to follow to set up everything so we can start generating passive income on complete autopilot. So I'll see you there on the other side.